Meaning of head rush.
Head rush.
Head rush.
Head rush.
Head rush. Head rush is a term used to describe a sensation of lightheadedness or dizziness that occurs when there is a sudden increase in blood flow to the brain. This can happen when a person stands up quickly, experiences a sudden drop in blood pressure, or engages in activities that cause a rapid increase in heart rate. The symptoms of a head rush typically include momentary dizziness, lightheadedness, or a feeling of faintness. In severe cases, it may also cause nausea, vomiting, or loss of consciousness. The duration of a head rush can vary from a few seconds to several minutes.